Welcome back to Terra Gardens. Today we're spotlighting a basil that's as beautiful as it is flavorful. Meet Pesto Perpetuo Basil, a stunning variegated variety that's just as at home in your kitchen as it is in your flower beds. Here's a fun fact to kick things off. Pesto Perpetuo Basil never flowers. That's right. Unlike most basils that bolt and turn bitter once they bloom, this one just keeps growing and producing aromatic leaves without a pause. That's why it's called perpetual. It's perpetually productive. Pesto is a relatively modern cultivar of the sweet basil. It was developed with culinary use and ornamental value in mind, a showstopper basil that stays flavorful longer. While basil itself has deep roots in cultures across Asia, Africa, and the Mediterranean, this variegated gem brings a fresh twist to an ancient herb. This basil stands out with green leaves, edged and creamy white, growing in upright columnar towers that can reach up to 2 feet tall. The leaves are narrower and more delicate than classic Genovese basil, but the scent is unmistakable. Fresh, citrusy with a touch of spice. It's a basil you will want to show off and snip from. Pesto loves the sun. Give it at least 6 hours of full sun a day. It thrives in well-draining soil, and regular watering will keep it lush and productive. Whether you grow it in garden beds, containers, or even indoors, under a grow light, it appreciates warm temperatures and doesn't handle frost, so bring it in if it gets chilly. Basil makes a great neighboring garden, planted alongside tomatoes, peppers, oregano to boost flavor, and even help repel pests like aphids and mosquitoes. Just be sure to give pesto a little elbow room. Its upright habit doesn't sprawl like other basils, but it still appreciates airflow. One special trait of this basil is it's naturally bushy. You don't have to pinch the top to stop it from flowering, which is normally required to keep basil producing. With this one, just keep harvesting leaves from the top down and it'll stay full and happy. In the kitchen, pesto lives up to its name. It makes a delicious pesto with a brighter, lemony twist, and it's amazing in pastas, salads, herb butters, or muddled into cocktails. Because it's less prone to bitterness, you can enjoy its flavor well into the growing season. So if you're looking for a basil that's low maintenance, ornamental, and endlessly useful in the kitchen, pesto is a must grow. It's a favorite among chefs, gardeners alike, and it brings a pop of color and flavor to any space. If you've grown Pesto Perpetuo, let me know your favorite ways to use it in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you're enjoying the Plant Tour series. See you in the next video.